Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Goldshell ALBOX II mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 2.2 kilograms and gross weight about 2.68 kilograms. Goldshell ALBOX II supports the Blake 3 algorithm, allowing you to mine ALPH cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 720 G. Its power consumption is only 360 Watt, making it an excellent choice with outstanding parameters. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 753 GH/s, the power consumption is approximately 357 Watt, and the noise level is around 35 decibels. Both power consumption and quiet operation are excellent. How to set up the miner for work normally? Please open the official website of Goldshell, click Support, and then click the following tabs to find our miner. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income, and so on. Based on an ALPH price of $1.93 and a mining difficulty of 109.93 T on July 30, 2024, the daily earnings of the Goldshell ALBOX II 720G miner are approximately $34. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. ALBOX II is an upgraded model of ALBOX. The key parameters have been greatly upgraded. First of all, the arithmetic power has been significantly increased to 720 GH/s, while the power consumption has also increased to 360 Watt, power consumption arithmetic ratio of 0.5 Watt per GH, and the previous version to maintain the same appearance of the same size is also basically the same. The following is the key parameters of detailed comparison. The Goldshell ALBOX II 720G mining machine is a high hash rate, low power, and quiet mining machine. With a hash rate of 360 G and a power consumption of only 180 Watt, it supports ALPH mining. Its compact design and high profitability make it suitable for mining in various environments, including homes and offices. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.